Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to recover the root user password. So in case if you forget what was the root user password, there is a process in Linux by which you can reset that root user password even when you have forgotten the original password. So let us see what are the steps you need to follow. So here first I will brief the steps in theory and then we will go through the practical aspect also. So the first step is that once the machine reboots, you need to stop the countdown of the bootloader by pressing the up or down arrow key. Next, we need to press the E alphabet key on the keyboard to edit. Then we will move to a line which starts with the word Linux. Then we will go to the end of that line and type there rd.break. Then we'll press Ctrl X and we'll switch the prompt to the switch root prompt. There we will type a couple of commands. Next we will use the passwd command to change the password, and then we will use the touch /auto relabel command. Finally we will exit it and the password will be reset to whatever you have set in step number 8. Now let us see how to do all these steps. So this is where you need to press the up or down arrow key, and you can see now that the boots, and you will notice that the booting has stopped. Now you need to press the E key. You can also see at the bottom, press E to edit the selected item. So once we press E, this is the next screen. Now you need to go to this line which starts with Linux. This I am doing on RHEL9. So many people have sometimes messaged that it doesn't work, but in RHEL9 it works fine, this process. Okay. So once you are on this, press the end key on the keyboard so that the cursor goes to the end of the line. Okay. Here RHGB quiet. Once the cursor is at the end of the line, you can see it is blinking here. Type rd.break. rd.break and need to press Ctrl X. So now you will see that here the command prompt has changed to switch root. Now you need to type in a couple of commands. The first one is mount space -o space remount comma rw space /sys root. Press enter. Sorry, spellings were wrong. Remount. And now chroot, which is change root to /sys root. And now you will use the pass wd command and set the new root user password. So see, it will not ask you the original root password which you have forgotten. Okay, so you can set any new password whatever you want and retype the password. So you can see here all authentication tokens updated successfully. So the new root user password is set. Now we need to run this command touch space /auto relabel. So this will make the necessary changes in the system regarding the new root user password. Exit and exit once again. Now the system will restart. It will take some time, but once it starts, the new root user password will be set. So that was all about how to recover the root user password. In the next video, we are going to practice some questions based upon all the topics that we have covered in this particular module.